Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Here, between my fingers, is an amazing product. This is by Coolpow, and it is a magnetic phone mount. Amazing. This thing is so incredibly easy to use, and it works so well. It comes as a 2-pack, which is great because my husband and I can both have one on our dash, or if you just want to have one in each car, that would work really well too. I was always dropping my phone, I couldn't find it in my purse, and now it's always right in front of me. It's easy to install. Use a little wipe to clean your dash, use the other wipe to dry it, peel the sticker off, and stick that baby up there. Let it sit for 24 hours and it will not come off. It will not move. Good points to note is there is a logo that says Coolpow on the front. So you want to make sure that it's facing up. On the first one I didn't, and as you can see, it's upside down. It comes with several magnets so you can use it on several devices so everyone has access to this mount. We just put ours inside of the case and it works through the case really well. We never have problems with them falling off. And what's really nice is how movable this thing is. With just a touch of your hand, you can twist it to be horizontal or vertical. There's no clips to mess with. It's easy to stick on there, easy to take off. You can rotate the mount so it can face different ways. This is just the best product ever. I recommend it to all of my friends. So if you're looking for a nice place to put your phone while you're driving, this is it. But that's just my point of view.